What is the battery indicator light? The battery indicator light will come on every time you start your car. But if it stays on while you are driving, then you have a problem. What does this mean? This means your vehicle's charging system voltage level is low, and the charging system isn't working properly. Possible issues. It could be one of 5 things. 1. The alternator is damaged. 2. The alternator belt could be loose or needs replacing. 3. The battery terminals need cleaning. 4. The battery may be damaged with signs of leaking. 5. Cables could have corrosion or not be securely connected. Solution: reduce non-essential electric functions. Turn off AC, radio, lights if it's daytime. Avoid using electrical controls such as power windows. And most importantly, seek professional technical support as soon as possible.